gonna try out something new for the next month. So I'd been talking with a friend around just kind of nutrition and kind of goals and what's going on there. And so he's a big supporter of Isagenix and their products for nutrition, for supplementation. So I told him, say, look, I will give these products a try for a month. We'll see how they go. I'll track my numbers. It'll be kind of a neat way to be able to see what difference I might be making with these products versus the ones that I was doing before, from the month before, because I tracked all my numbers from the month before. So it should be an interesting science experiment. I'm always up for new experience and experiments. Don't know quite how these will go with my digestive system or not yet. I have a very sensitive digestive system, so we will see how they all go. I'll let kind of know how that works out for me. I've been using usually mostly like Muscle Farm proteins and a few different other things for shakes during my workouts and stuff like that, or sorry, not shakes, just like hydrating or BCAA drinks for my workout. So I'm going to be trying out these new products that I've got. So these just arrived in the mail just the other day. So we've got some new protein shakes that we've got here. So it's got 24 grams of protein that's inside there. We've got some workout drink here as well, a hydrate. So I've got enough protein to last me for a month. And then they've got this Ionic Supreme, which is, you know, kind of antioxidants and stuff like that. I'm supposed to take like a shot of that a day to go along with the program. So I will be trying these out as I'm, you know, trying to see what the difference makes in my my diet, in my progress. And when I'm doing these, I will be tracking all of my data just like I usually do. So I have over here on my trusty computer, we've got all the data that I have been tracking. So when we take a look at things that I've been looking at and tracking in the system, I take a look at my weight, my daily weight check-ins, my body fat percentage, my muscle weight percentage, and I track these daily across and average everything out by the week. So that gives me weekly averages of what's going on with my system, transfer all that body fat and those percentages over into actual poundage, and then I'm able to graph and plot my progress. So as I mentioned in my last video, I'm a little frustrated on kind of the hopeful goals of only gaining muscle mass and not any fat. But here we can see my overall body weight has been going up. My body fat, boo, has also been going up along here. But if we take a look at my muscle mass, it has also been gaining. So it's interesting to see my statistics. I had done a video before where I had been gaining weight too quickly and I needed to adjust my diet. I adjusted it obviously too much and I started losing weight, and then I bumped it back up again, and we're starting to see kind of a leveling off, and we'll see at the end of this week what will have made a difference here. So the interesting thing that we'll be able to take a look at is really, you know, different nutrition plan, new supplements. My workouts are gonna stay consistent. My number of calories are gonna stay consistent. The only thing that'll really be changing up in here is the actual supplements. So it should be an interesting, that was my knee, an interesting comparison to see what happens if there's a difference in the products and how that affects my body. So same thing, stay on the same plan, the same workout routines, the same eating that I've been doing for calories, replacing, I'll plug in the nutritional values of the new supplements to make sure that my caloric levels and everything are the same. And we'll see if they make you know, a difference compared to my tracking numbers from before. So we'll run that for a month, take a look at the end results, and I'll let you know how it goes.